The Lunar New Year fireworks finale is an important custom to light fireworks and set off firecrackers, which were originally used to ward off evil spirits.
Legend has it that a monster called Nian would come out to eat the villagers and destroy their homes every New Year's Eve. Villagers discovered that burning dried bamboo produced a loud, explosive sound that would scare the monster away. Since then, it has become a tradition when celebrating the New Year.
Enjoy the fireworks, everyone!